And it seems like some specific third-party apps like Instagram were also having issues, and those should be getting updates too. But on average, the battery life on my 15 has been better than my battery on the 15 Pro. And the 15 Plus looks to have the best battery life ever on any iPhone, which is really promising. So that combination of the A16 Bionic, which is not new, and 60 Hz screens, which are not new, are giving you great battery life. Also, USB-C is definitely not new, but here it is, alongside all the benefits that come with it, from using the same cable to charge everything, to plugging into more accessories like monitors and keyboards and all kinds of other stuff. It is sad that the older chip does mean there's no USB 3 controller, so there are no USB 3 data speeds. It's still slow, but honestly, unless you're using the Pro iPhone's camera features, there's almost nobody here buying this phone that's going to actually need fast data transfer anyway, so I guess you can give it a pass. And they managed to do it in the Apple way too. They color matched the inside of the USB-C port with the color of the phone. And they actually, I don't know if you've seen this, they print the model number inside the port.